Kaya nagtulo kasi ako.
Things very good in the Asian zone. So we come here to take the cup. We know about Indonesia; it's a favorite of our this tournament. But also don't forget.
The corner, yeah.
Yeah, and I'm positive that we got this invitation on a short notice, and very, very happy that we can be here. And also, of course, for the tsunami remembrance, so this is very, very important.
Right.
Selanjutnya kami juga mohon maaf atas segala
16, 17 is 21 and younger.
In 2019, it's qualified and also against Oman, really good game. I think we want to compete strongly against these teams, but I think these teams are favorites.
Надо уходить, здесь много сейчас уже.